Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Msmetics, a bridal makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Warri, Delta State, Nigeria. So this video is about my very gorgeous bride who requested for a nude makeup with no eyelash, no lipstick and no eyeshadow. Okay, I would love you to watch this video to the end to see how this gorgeous look was achieved. Let's get right in. First thing is to properly cleanse the skin. You want to work on a clean canvas, and then after cleaning the skin you want to tone it, and you want to prep by applying a serum, a glow oil or a moisturizer. And then when it comes to bridal makeup, you already know that the bride will have to carry this makeup throughout the day, so you need to work on a clean skin to achieve a good result. And I'll be going in with this moisturizer from the Release. I love this moisturizer for bride and I love the texture of it, the blending and all that. And then please, you can see the hairstylist is doing her hair, she's doing her thing. When it comes to bridal makeup, you should know you are not the only one on that space, so you should learn to accommodate other persons and work as a team, because you also have the photographers and the videographers in that same space, and sometimes the ship bridesmaid, you know. So you have people that will be walking around, walk by, asking questions, coming in and out of the room. Okay, so after that I am going in with this Cos RS moisturizer, and then you can gradually see the effect on the skin from the natural skin that it was. This is still natural, but at the beginning our skin was looking bare and pale. You can see that with just these two moisturizer already, and after proper cleansing, the skin is glowing already without even a glue oil. And then I actually applied a eye cream, under eye cream, before applying this primer. And then again, like I said, it's going to be a fast one. And this primer is from Gentle Dove, and the reason why I'm applying this primer is because she have a very oily skin, as in her skin is very oily. So I'm just applying this primer on her T-zones and on the areas that tend to bring out oil on time. And then again, this mini fan with her, I gave it to her, you know, to just blow dry her face, because when it comes to skin prep for bridal, you need to be careful and you need each step to dry down properly with a mini fan. You need to dry the skin before moving to any other step. And then the next step here is using a concealer under the eyes to remove any blemish and any dark under eye circle. And then I will apply this setting spray from the Omaricode. The concealer is a Nigerian brown gel, and this setting spray is a Nigerian brown. Okay, and then I'll allow that to dry properly before going in with this beautiful foundation, Makeup Forever 24 hours wear. And then I mixed it with the one and only Merake foundation that some of you have run away from and some of you have abandoned. This foundation, Makeup Forever, is not just a 24 hours wear, it is blendable and it is water based, and the undertone is superb. See, when I was doing it, she was admiring herself. And of course, you know, I blend with my yglam foundation brush. Yes, I just place that gently on the skin before applying that same setting spray from Omaricode. Okay, and then I'll spray a generous amount on it before going in with my beauty blender to just dab, blend. And the hairstyle is still working. In fact, this video I actually worked fast. This makeup took 35 minutes. Yes, 35 minutes. It was a quick one because she needed to hurry to church. Her church, I don't want to call the name of the church in this video. I beg, I'm not there for wahala. Look at just to do my makeup with concern me first. So as I was saying, in 35 minutes we take do this makeup. It was a very fast section, very fast one. And then I went back in with the Gel cosmetic concealer. Okay, so that is what I'm just applying. I just did a very light highlight, very light, very close to her skin. Nothing like under eye of her puppy. No, this one was very close to her skin. Okay, and that's the gel concealer. The formula for this gel concealer was actually nice. I've tried it before on a bride on 5 different occasions, and it did not break, it did not crack, it did not create any line under the eyes. Okay, maybe you should also try it, but apply an under eye cream first before using it. Okay, and then I applied the secure concealer on her eyelid. Yes, because the bride said she does not want an eyeshadow, so this makeup is nude makeup. I applied that same concealer on her eyelid. Talking of nude makeup, oftentimes because clients don't want to pay much, and because some brides don't want to pay much, they will tell you, I want nude makeup, I want it to be very natural, very simple, very natural. Please, as you are watching this video from the beginning till now, is there any process that I jumped, that I skipped? No, I did not skip any process. I did the normal cleansing, the normal toning of the skin, the normal skin prep, the normal foundation, the normal concealer, the normal highlights. Although I did not do liquid contour and I did not apply blush, but you can see that it's the same amount of products that I still use. So most times when brides say, I want nude, very light makeup, no mistake, go cheap, not the same price, not the same amount. And truth is that it's even more difficult to do nude makeup. Yes, because for you to put something make it not a show, it's not easy like that. Because as you are doing the makeup, I was always moving backward, move to the left, move to the right, to just check and balance if it's okay. And you can see how it's just blending to her body. And then I went in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder to set under the eyes. Thank you, Beauty by Germs. If you're watching this video, thank you all for gifting me this powder. Thank you. Since you gift me, not only on special occasion I will use them. Thank you. I use it for my bridal. May God bless you. This Charlotte Tilbury powder. Not only one shade now I get before. They could dash me this one. They sold this one into my life. So now I get two. I never get money to buy more. More could manage like that. By the way, it is Morphe contour powder. It also serves as a bronzer. Okay, I love the shade, and you can see how I'm just doing contour on the forehead. I'm just trying to bring my low lights. I've already done my highlight. I'm not trying to create my low lights using a bronzer, a light color powder. I think I later also used my Queen Cover Gel. Yes, because at some point, and then I went under a jawline. As you can see, there's something about makeup. If you do it right, you will love it, seriously. And then again, you can see that makeup is something that brings structure to one's face. Okay, makeup is something that also enhances your beauty. Okay, so I also contoured the nose and used the dark shade of Morphe contour powder on the nose. You can see how it is well properly defined, even with the fact that I did not use a liquid contour. Okay, done with the contour setting with Charlotte Tilbury powder using a Nigerian brand brush, MK Beauty brush, blending brush. And then I went in with my concealer from the Zaron Cosmetics because she requested for a nude makeup with no eyelash. I am using this Zaron concealer on the eyelid, and then I will also apply this concealer on her lip. Okay, I like to do this because I want the lip color to be even. Especially this procedure and these tips is good for those that have black lips. If you know you have a very dark lip, very black lip, you know, try to apply foundation or concealer on your lip sometimes and just blend it and apply powder, and you see that your lip is not as dark as you think. So I call this method the bleaching method. Okay, so let's just assume I bleached the lip. I'm just blending that in, and then I went in with this powder from the Milani in Warm, and then I'm just applying that on our lip. So this is going to serve as the lip stick. Okay, I know you guys understand. It is here now, it is what they do. No magic inside. Before you go say, oh, I want nude lipstick. No nude lipstick, now nude concealer did it. When you say you want nude makeup very light, this makeup wey you see so shebi na very light makeup. You see any color for anywhere? No. But wetin you see na the same product wey make color makeup dey expensive na I still use. Okay, so please, I believe after this video you will understand that nude makeup is not cheap makeup. So I went in with a brow tamer, tamed the brows. That's the photographer that just walked past. Tamed the brows, and then I'm using this Davis eye pencil to just outline the brows, following through a natural hairline. No much activities because they say no makeup. So on this day I needed to stay away from brow gel, so nothing like a brow gel. I'm just going in with the pencil, light stroke, now so with one more. So those who can say I want light makeup, very nude makeup, and see now the same procedure. Shall you see the procedure wey they use for color makeup? Now that same procedure that they use for nude makeup. Okay guys, so that same concealer is what I applied on our brow bone. Okay, just to make the brows a bit well defined, and I will now blend that in properly. I'm just going light and then light stroke, like fear even made me even take concealer, very shakily small thing. And this concealer is the Kevin O'Con concealer in the shade 12. Yes, I love the yellow undertone of this concealer. By the time I start blending, you will understand what I mean by the yellow undertone of this concealer. Okay, and then I blended this concealer using a powder, I think a Nigerian brown powder, lavender. Yes, so I'm just blending. See the yellow undertone. This is why I love that particular shade in Kevin O'Con 12. And this lavender powder, that particular yellow gold shade there, this is another reason why I love that particular shade. I use it most times on the brow bone. Okay, and then this powder from the lavender is what I use to further define our crease and the beginning of our brows. It's really no easy. Nude makeup, it is fine. It's actually my best. I love it when I'm doing makeup on myself. This is how I like to do my own makeup myself, you know. But then again, it doesn't mean it's cheap. It's not cheap. It's the same procedure, the same process, and the same technique. Okay, in fact I feel this is even more difficult because on this one you'll be looking for the right shade that is not going to ruin the entire look. Okay, so that's it. I just blend. Blending is key when it comes to makeup, especially bridal makeup, because as you know, it's going to serve for the whole day. For the eyeshadow, I use a powder, this same powder palette, lavender. I just applied that lightly on the eyelid. I was very careful so that it doesn't end up showing like a yellow eyeshadow. Okay, and then I'm going in with this eyeliner from D Beauty. This is one of those PRO I received from an American brand recently. I love how nice and how tiny the tip of the liner is. Okay, so I'm just going to properly line the eyes, and this lining I needed to be very careful, extremely careful, because the liner does not need to be too bold. It has to be inside the eyes, like sitting on our natural lashes. See, trust me, it's very easy to do loud makeup. To do nude makeup is even more difficult. Okay, so I'm just carefully lining the eyes, carefully, and then I went in with the Merake charcoal black pencil on the waterliner of the eyes. And then I'm going in with this mascara, Zaron mascara. One of the advantages of this Zaron mascara, this particular one, is that you can use it for smaller lashes, like for some of us that don't have much lashes. Okay, it doesn't stain easily. And then I just put something under there so that when I'm doing this mascara under the eyes, it will not stain our skin. Then I went back to my bronzer, my contour powder from the Morphe, to just line under a lip. Okay, so you can see that I use concealer on the lip as a lipstick, I use powder on the lip as a lipstick, and then I'm also using powder as a lip liner. So this is all. And this makeup was actually one very makeup section that I love, because I was really fast, 35 minutes and we were done. Okay, because our church, a story for another day. Please do well to watch the next post after this video. Like the next post after this video, just do well to watch it. Okay, by the way, if you're watching this video till now, please do like, share, comment. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section. What do you think about this video? Do you want to see videos like this? Going in with this airbrush setting spray, finishing spray from the Charlotte Tilbury. Man, this one now Dogo of Odogu. Only the forehead where I don't spray, should you see the difference. And then I spray the generous amount. Okay, this just simply take off all the powder effect. It gives you a fine airbrush finishing. I hope you find this video educating and informative on what alternative you can do to your lip and to your eyes if you don't want eyeshadow and lipstick. My bride was absolutely gorgeous. She was happy. Her bouquet was beautiful. Her bridal robe was also fine. She changed to a bridal robe and then to a wedding dress. Thanks for watching till now. Please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.